Hi everyone! Today in this video we're going to talk about networks and communications. But first let me introduce myself. My name is Natali Guarachi. I am an operating systems student of the systems engineering career at the Public University of El Alto. Well now let's start. Let's begin talking about what's a network. A network it's a group of computers connected together. They can communicate by sharing data and resources regardless of the physical location of the different devices. Through a network, they can be execute processes on another computer or access its files, send messages, sharing programs, and many other processes. Computers are usually connected to each other by cables, but if the network covers a large region, the connections can be made through lines, telephones, microwaves, fiber lines, optics, and even satellites. Now, we will talk about communications, in which we will be talking about nodes, and I want to clarify what is a node. A node is a point of intersection or union of several elements that converge in the same place. For example, in a computer network, each machine is a node, and if the network is the internet, each server is also a node. Well, now let's see the types of communications in computer network. Communication can occur in three ways, and they are point to point, broadcasting, and multicasting. In point to point, as the name suggests, two computers directly communicate with each other, like face to face. While in broadcasting, the computer sends data to all nodes in the network, for example, distributing some type of report, notification, whether relevant or irrelevant. And what about multicasting? Multicasting it's nothing more than sending message to a well-defined group of nodes, but not all nodes. For example, a notification of a new video of the Mr. Bean's channel. The notification it's only for subscribed viewers. Like we see in this example, we have only 4 of the nodes that are subscribed to this channel and only they will receive the notification. In order to achieve successful communication, we need networks, and among the most used and prominent, we have the LAN, MAN, and WAN. And what LAN means? LAN means local area networks, and this is the most common type of computer networks in homes and workplaces. This allows communication and sharing of documents between different digital devices within a small space, such as home or office. In addition, these networks stand out for being inexpensive and having high speed. Now let's talk about MAN. That means Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan area networks mainly consist of interconnections for several LAN networks. In this way, they are a type of medium-sized computer networks that connected devices and users in a space such a community or a city. They have fairly high throughput levels and are managed by a pool of common users and a regional network provider. In addition, they are the connection point between LAN networks and WAN networks. Now let's see the WAN network. They are defined as wide area networks, since they are larger computers networks that encompass and interconnect LANs, MENs, and other types of computer networks. To be more specific, they connect regions, countries, or even a continent through fiber links or wireless technologies such as satellites or telephone lines. However, the distance of these types of communications mean that ones generally have slower speeds, which usually don't exceed 2 megabytes per second. With all this, we can say that networks and communications are very vital for everyone since their good administration help us in the process of supervising, configuring, and maintaining a computer network to guarantee its efficiency and security. Also, they encourage communication through different electronic means. They allow several users to use the same device. They allow remote access based on the connections between computers and programs. They guarantee the availability of information as they help users share and exchange files. They also increase the speed of data transmission, and that's all the advantage that communications and networks have. So I know it's a lot of information, but I hope you understood. That's all. Thank you very much for watching the video, and please, if you liked, please give me a like, and bye bye.